Today's featured car of the day is a 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner with the 400 cubic inch V8 engine and pistol grip 4-speed. It's a one owner car and one of 749 400s with the 4-speed with the pistol grip 4-speed shifter, which was a neat option. That probably the nicest shifter that was out there during the muscle car era. And this one is a pretty special car, actually. It's one owner. It was a young guy who actually talked his father into buying the car for him back in 1973 in Southern California at actually, I think it was Canoga Park, Chrysler, Plymouth. And I think he lived in Reseda at the time. And he had it. He's the original owner, and he's had it his whole life and restored it. It was also in the Mopar Muscle 50 Years book by Robert Gannett and David Newhart. And it was featured in Mopar Muscle magazine August of 2003 after he had restored it. And it was a neat car. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where he was down there showing it off at the cruise. And it was definitely a neat looking car. It was a pretty rare one. And he did a real good job on it. Definitely was getting a lot of looks. He had his poster board there with all the different stats on it and everything, which was neat. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.